Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'll share two types of bell sleeves. It's stylish and trendy, and the best part is it goes with both Indian and Western outfits. So you can add bell sleeves in your tops, dresses as well as kurtis, blouses, etc. So let's get started. I've cut out required length including 1.25 inch of seam allowance from the fabric. Fold the fabric twice in width. So there are 4 layers of fabric to cut 2 sleeves. On the unfold side, from the top, mark cap height at 3.5 inch. From this point, mark cap width, that is chest round divided by 4 minus 1. Like in my measurement, chest round is 40 inch. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So I'll mark a point at 9 inch. Join these points. Measure this line and divide it into 3 parts. This is 9.75 inch. So I'll mark a point at 3.25 inch twice. From this point, mark half inch upwards. And from this point, mark half inch upwards and 1/4 inch or 0.25 inch downwards. Now I'll draw front and back armhole curve. Again from the top, mark a point at 6 inch, 12 inch and the length of sleeve 17 inch. Now I'll mark sleeve round measurement at these points. At 6 inch sleeve round is 14 inch. So I'll mark half of it, that is 7 inch. At 12 inch sleeve round is 13 inch, half of it is 6.5 inch. And at 17 inch sleeve round is 8.5 inch to give bell shape. Join these points. Adding seam allowance. And with this marking is complete, now I'll cut it. Now take top 2 layers and cut the front armhole curve. So this is a cutting of bell sleeve. Now I'll finish the bottom of the sleeve. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. I made a stitch. Now I'll stitch side fitting seam. So one piece bell sleeve is ready. Now I'll show you two piece bell sleeve. So again I have cut out the required length, but I have deducted bell length. Actual sleeve length in my measurement is 19 inch and bell length is 5 inch. You can change it according to your choice. Now I'll just cut the basic sleeve as I did for the previous one. Fold the fabric twice in width. Mark cap height at 3.5 inch. Cap width is 9 inch. Join these points and divide it into 3 parts. Draw front and back armhole curves. Now I'll mark sleeve round measurements. And I'll join these points. Adding seam allowance, and I'll just cut it. So I've cut the sleeve, now I'll cut the bell. Fold the fabric by half. And now diagonally like this. Now place the sleeve where bottom round fits perfectly. Mark the point. Now measure it from the top. This is 9.5 inch. Mark the same point till the other end. Now I'll mark bell length, that is 5 inch, adding 1 inch for seam allowance. Again measure it from the top. This is 15.5 inch. Mark the same point till the other end. And now I'll cut it, adding 0.25 inch of seam allowance on the top. So this is bell for my sleeve. Make small cuts all around on the top of bell. And now I'll attach bell with the sleeve. Place it on the sleeve, right sides together, and make a stitch. Overlock it. Now keep the seam allowance direction towards sleeve and make a top stitch. Now I'll finish the bottom of the bell. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. And lastly, I'll stitch the side fitting seam. And with this my sleeve is ready, and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching guys, hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, bye bye.